Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Ross and
William.
And we are here to teach you a card game just in case you are looking for something to practice some of those math facts while we're not at school. So we have our pile of cards. We took 5 off the top and then we flipped 1 over, and it is a 6 that we flipped over.
Do you want me to explain the game, or do you want to explain the game?
Why don't you explain
I'll explain it. So, how it works. You take, like she said, 5 cards off the top, put them here, and then you take an extra card, put it down there. That's your card you want. So, all of these 5 cards, you can do whatever you want with them. Like, that has to do with math, adding, subtracting, dividing, multiplying, but it has to make 6.
Right.
So, if this were, okay, this is a very bad example, but if it were 6, 0, 0, 0, 0, there's no even zeros in a card deck, but I'm just saying, then you could just do 0 plus 6 all those times. You got it. It's a weird example, but yeah. So we're going to try to do it with these ones. Do you want me to name out the
Okay, so
numbers
yeah, why don't you tell us what
All
we've
right,
got?
so the number we're trying to get is 6. The numbers we have are 5, 10, 4, 2, and 6.
Okay, so what do you think, William? Should we go for a big number to start off and then work our way down?
I think that would be better. Because then you have more space to work with, you know?
Okay.
So if we started off with, you take the 6 and the 10, we'll use those, and we'll do 6 times 10.
Okay.
That's 60, obviously.
Okay.
And then we could divide that by 5.
We could divide that by 5, because that's one of our cards that we have left.
Yeah. So divide it by 5. That equals 12. And then if we're getting to 6, we could just add these two, because they're 4 and 2.
Okay.
Add them together.
Okay.
That makes 6. So, and then that equals 6.
Okay, so we had 12, and then we took that 6 away, and we ended up...
we took the 6 that we added from the 2 and the 4. We added that together, and then we got 6. Took that away from the 12.
Right. And our target number...
was 6, so we got it.
Was 6, so that's how we got to 6.
Bang, red dot.
All right. So there you go. That's a quick game. So you could play it with your family if you wanted to have teams of people, each team having 5 cards. And so this team could use their 5 cards and your team could use your 5 cards, and everybody tries to get to the target number first. You could do it as a whole bunch of individual players. So there's lots of ways that you could play this game, and it can be a quick game. It can be a long game, depending on how well you know those multiplication, division, addition, subtraction facts.
And there could even be a chance that it doesn't add up to the number whenever you're set, so...
Well, that's true.
Yeah.
We could, yeah. So as long as we remember that order of operations and things that we can do to insert brackets and make things work for us.
Alright, so if you want to know how to do this again, just in case you were a bit confused before, we got the paper here now. So basically these were the cards we had, 6, 10, 5, 2, 4. So we started off with the 6 times 10, so to make it easier, I'll get these out of the way. That equals 60. Of course, we did the brackets first. And then you divide that by 5. So we're going to get the 5 out of the way. That equals 12. So once we get our 12, we add the 4 and the 2 final numbers, and we get 6 out of that. So we take that 6 that we got and take it off of 12. Bang.